Okay, good morning, student. Okay, today we're going to study again mathematics. Okay, welcome to our class. Okay, good morning, everyone. So, before we proceed to our lesson, so what is our lesson yesterday? It's all about addition up to 20 in word. Okay, so we have online class rules. Okay. Number one, sit down properly. Again, sit down properly. Okay, so you look at this boy. He is sitting down properly. Okay. And number two, watch and listen carefully. Watch and listen carefully. So you look at this girl or this student. She is listening carefully. Okay. Again, number two online rules. Watch and listen carefully. Okay, and number three, prepare your worksheet and workbook. Okay, so you're going to prepare your worksheets and workbook. Primary Mathematics 1A and Primary Mathematics 1B. So, all of you have mathematics worksheet. So you're going to prepare because after our lesson, you're going to answer it. Okay. So once again, so this is your teacher June with teacher Mark. Okay, so your mathematics teacher. Okay, so our lesson for today is all about addition up to 20 in words. This is a continuation and review and practice. Okay, so that you are more familiar with addition up to 20 in words. Okay, so let us review this one. Okay, so number 1 to 20. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay. We're going to spell again one more time. Okay. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R-4, F-I-B-E-5, S-I-X-6, S-E-P-E-N-7, E-I-G-H-T-8, N-I-N-E-9, T-E-N-10. Okay, next. Okay, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Okay, E-L-E-V-E-N 11, T-W-E-L-B-E 12, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14, 15, F-I-F-T-E-N 15, 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17, 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18, 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19, 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y. Okay, so this is 11 to 20. Okay, so This is our lesson yesterday, so we're going to review. Okay, example, we write 12 plus 6 equals 18, but we can read 12 plus 6 equals 18. Okay, number 1, 10 plus 10 equals 20. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay, so number 2, 12 plus 6 equals 18. Okay, 12 plus 6 equals 18. Number 3, 11 plus 8 equals 19. 11 plus 8 equals 19. Okay. Number 4, 12 plus 2 equals 14. 12 plus 2 equals 14. 13 plus 4 equals 17. 13 plus 4 equals 17. 14 plus 1 equals 15. 14 plus 1 equals 15. 15 plus 1 equals 16. 15 plus 1 equals 16. Okay. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Okay, very good. 9, number 9. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 9 plus 4 equals 13. 9 plus 4 equals 13. Okay. So this is your worksheet yesterday. So we're going to answer. Okay. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. Very good. So blank plus 7 equals 17. So what is the missing one? 10. So for 10, T-E-N. Okay. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. Okay. Next, number 2. 12 plus 1 equals 13. Okay. 12 plus 1 equals 13. So for 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. Very good. So number 3, 15 plus 4 equals 19. So 15 plus blank equals 19. So what is your answer? 4. Okay. You're going to write the word 4. So F-O-U-R, 4. Correct. Very good. So number 4, 18 plus 2 equals 20. Okay, 18 plus 2 equals 20. So you're going to write the word 2. T-W-O-2. Okay? So 18 plus 2 equals 20. And number 5 and 6, 11 plus 3 equals how many? Again, how many? 14. Very good. So 14, 11 plus 3 equals 14. Okay, so you're going to write the words 14. So F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. So 14. Number 7, 13 plus 5 equals 18. 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13 plus 5 equals 18. Very good. Number 8 and 9. 9 plus 2 equals how many? What is your answer? 9 plus 2 equals 11. Very good. So 9 plus 2 equals 11. So you're going to write the word 11 here. Okay, in the underline. Okay. So E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. And the last one, number 10, you're going to answer 8 plus 7 equals 15, okay? So you're going to write the words 8. So spell the word 8. E-I-G-H-T. Okay, correct. Plus 7. Okay, again, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Okay, correct. So 8 plus 7 equals 15. Okay, so this is your worksheets for today. You're going to copy on your notebook after our lesson. So you're going to answer it, okay? So you're going to write in numbers of the following word addition. Okay, example, 6 plus 5 equals 11. So this is the correct answer, the correct number. 6 plus 5 equals 11, correct. So number 1, 15 plus 5 equals 20. So you're going to write 15 plus 5 equals 20. Number 2, 10 plus 6 equals 16. So you're going to write 10 plus 6 equals 16. 11 plus 4 equals 15. 11 plus 4 equals 15. Okay. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, next. 13 plus 5 equals 18. Okay. 13 plus 5 equals 18. Okay. 17 plus 2 equals 19. 17 plus 2 equals 19. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 9 plus 3 equals 12. So you're going to write 9 plus 3 equals 12. Very good. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay. 7 plus 4 equals 11. So you're going to write 7 plus 4 equals 11. Okay. You're going to write the correct spelling of the number. Okay. So from 1 to 20, we learned already yesterday. And we have a review also today. Okay, so your answer is correct spelling. Okay, so that's all for today. So if you have any questions, you're going to ask Teacher June or Teacher Nick or Teacher Pen. Okay, any questions, students? Okay. So this is your worksheet yesterday. So you know already how to answer correctly. Okay. Okay. If you have any question, okay, take out your worksheets and you're going take out your notebook and you're going to copy your worksheet. So you're going to write also the day today. So the day today is, what is the day today? Thursday, correct. What is the date? 6th of what month? January 2022. Okay, so you're going to write the day today correctly, okay? So this is the day today, Thursday, 6th of January 2022. Okay, so we're going to answer your worksheet properly. Okay, take out your notebook and copy this. Okay, so you're going to number your paper from 1 to 10. Okay, so this is an example. Okay, I give an example here so that you know what you are going to do. Okay, number 1 example is 6 plus 5 equals 11. So you're going to write 6 plus 5 equals 11. Okay, so students, that's all for